Hello! You join us this evening on a landscape shoot. We've come to Snettisham on the west side of the Norfolk coast, so one of the only areas in East Anglia where you can get a sunset at the sea, but unfortunately that's what we've got at the moment. We have had some pink colour coming through in the brighter areas. Jem is with me. Jem is there.
No.
Jem is setting up for a killer composition, I reckon. What do you think?
Do not know. Do you see it or not?
What we're trying to get
Not know.
is yes, see, that's the sort of thing. Trying to make use of the pools that have been left as the tide's gone out and the mud is all cracking. Trying to tie that in with the sunset, which as you can see is not happening yet. We've got about 40 minutes before sunset, but unless something miraculous happens, this might be the best colour we get. But having said that, it's quite nice because it's moody. I do like it when the I do like it when the sky.
You need to flip it back, don't you?
Yeah, I'm talking to you, so you can correspond.
Sorry, I thought you were talking to Aussie.
I do like it when you get the clouds patching up. It'd just be made even better if we had.
We have got an hour.
We have.
Yeah.
The second place we've come to shoot it's an old jetty, wooden, mostly wooden, maybe some metal in it.
That's what I'm more after.
Yeah, we'll head there now. We've already got a couple of shots in the bag, shooting with the wide angle lenses, lowish. Gemma's slightly higher than me. I was pointing more lower to the ground.
But I've also got
because
I've got a cropped
over there, a long way away.
camera. I have to be at a different distance to you anyway.
You do.
So.
But yeah, it's okay. Gemma's not really liking the cracked mud. I'm liking the cracked mud.
No. I like the cracked mud, but in the composition you chose, you went dried cracked mud, then the pool of water, then the sky. Whereas for me personally, I wanted all the pools of water. That's all.
Gotcha.
I don't know. Yours might.
I think we've got something.
Afterwards, after we've processed them, I might instantly regret it. I don't know.
But there's a lot of chaos, as you can see. It's just as it is. It's a beach. I mean, and there's tons of water. I am going to get the drone up. I'm going to get the drone up now.
And some aerial shots.
That's a good idea, Jem. Drone up now.
Yes. We are now walking to the pier, so we shall see you there. We've been here before, last year.
You mentioned that.
Have you?
Yeah.
And I absolutely tipped it down.
We can actually put a couple of images, because I got a couple of drone shots that day,
Yes.
which I really liked.
Yes, we may include last visit last visit,
Last
last
year.
trips
Was that last
footage.
year?
Yes, it was last year.
We're just having
Talking
we're
about
just-
something non-related.
no, we're just having a discussion about Gemma's new coat.
Okay.
And the fact that she thinks that's better than mine. It's totally random, but
I've done lots of research.
have you?
Yes.
Does that make you buy a better coat?
It has made me buy a better coat, yes.
Good.
It's waterproof. It's got a fleece in line that I can zip in and out.
It's a Burgoose coat. We might get sponsorship if you mention it. With
I
our
doubt it.
628 subscribers.
Hey!
And we love every single one of you. We know you personally, see.
We
all
don't
this,
know them personally.
all these channels who have thousands of subscribers, that's all very well, but they can't say they know their subscribers. We feel like we know each and every one of you.
I don't know what he's on. No idea. We are here.
The light's gone, Jen.
Yep.
But I'm already saying
Just got to set up and wait.
I might light.
Oh, which sound of composition he likes.
Possibly with this pool of water in front, if we do get any light.
Oh, he's going from side. I had envisioned before we got here of a kind of a, I don't know really, front straight head on. But I don't know, I'm going to have to move around with the camera and see.
Well, whatever little light we had earlier has gone, isn't it, Jem? We've walked the 20 minutes through the shingle, which is tiring, to get to the pier,
I might still have a shot.
and the light is nothing. I'm afraid. The light that we did have further along the beach has gone. It's past sunset. Yeah, we have taken some images, but
I've enjoyed myself.
I've enjoyed myself, but this is the second time we've been to this location now. It's over a 2-hour drive from where we live, and then another 40-minute walk.
We can get Starbucks on the way home.
We can get Starbucks. I was hoping for a little bit more than Starbucks.
All right, don't tell the viewers. No, I'm joking. No, don't put that in. That was a joke. No, it's not.
Yeah, Starbucks. Well, at least a Starbucks. I've got to have something
Yeah.
to eat, Jen. I'm wasting
yeah.
away, as you know, as you can see.
Don't look at mine either.
So, yeah. This would be, and it's still nice here, but this would be stunning at sunset if we
That
actually got a
black and
sunset.
white.
When we checked the weather forecast yesterday, it was showing, well, if anything, we thought there was going to be too much sun
Perfectionist.
with a little bit of cloud. But when we've got down here, it's basically 95% cloud. But there you go.
Is what it is.
Fun of being a landscape photographer.
We got some pictures.
We'll
and
still
we've got
show the
pictures
images,
of last
yeah,
year.
yeah.
And it's a very nice place. It's
It is.
recommended.
It
Come
is.
down here. We're in
It is.
Snettisham.
Snettisham
On the RSPP
Reserve.
reserve.
Yeah.
It's
On the
behind
beach.
us. And it's a little bit of a walk with our gear, but it's well worth it.
Yeah, it is.
If you find the
If you
sunset
get the
that
light,
we don't
it
find.
could be stunning.
It is stunning. I've
But,
seen pictures.
yeah, we just need the light.
Yeah.
But there we go. We've still had a nice evening out, and that's what landscape photography can be sometimes.
Yeah.
You come away disappointed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is us.
That's why I like my wildlife.
Yeah.
And then come away disappointed with that too.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
So this is us saying goodbye. We're going to take the 40-minute walk back to the car and then find somewhere to get something to eat and drink.
Okay.
So thanks for watching if you
Yep.
got this far, and we'll see you next time.
Bye everyone.
Bye.